Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to set up Zelle with First Financial Bank. Well, the process is going to be pretty simple. You need to download the bank's app from First Financial Bank. And here, once we have the application installed, we're going to proceed to log in with our credentials, so that once we are logged in, we can find an option within the application that is labeled as Zelle, alright? And when we find the option that says Zelle, we're going to tap there to link our account. It's something pretty easy to do, okay? Once we have arrived here in the main Zelle section, we should be able to see an option that is labeled Send Money with Zelle. And right there, please keep in mind that if this is the very first time we are tapping on this button, we will be required to enter our personal information and then add our bank accounts to get set up, okay? For instance, as part of the setup process, we'll have to enter either our personal mobile phone number or our primary email address. It's important to know that either one of these contact methods is completely valid. And once that's done, we can successfully add one of those identifying details to our Zelle account and then use it to securely send money to other people. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.